everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be talking about some conditional formatting. This time I'm going to have a few conditional rules onto one column. A good example that I have here would be school days. I have a school day calendar and I like to visually see what weekends are, what color the weekends are, what we have for no school, and when we have minimum days. Let me change the alignment on that just because I want to. Okay, so that looks a little bit better. So now I know the kids started school August 9 of 2019, and I'm going to enter, and then what I can do is I can autofill it. So I take this blue square and I can left click and drag it all the way down, and I'm going to autofill it. But I notice that I need to have some labels here, so I'm going to add in a Friday label, and again I can autofill it. Take the little blue square on the corner and then drag it all the way down. I'm a very visual person, and I like to have some color. For here, I don't know when the weekends are, and I like to know when I have the weekends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a conditional format. I go to the navigation bar and it says format. I click on format and I go down to conditional formatting. That will open up a side on the right, a little area, a panel, to be able to add in my formatting. I'm going to select my columns. I want to select all of column C and all of column D because I want it to have that color for both of them. Here I'm going to go to the drop down. It says format cells if, and I go all the way to custom formula is. My custom formula is Google Sheets has a function called weekday, and it goes by the day and the type. So the day, oops, I need a K in there. The day will be any day in column D. So the day will be $ column D. Now they have three different types. They have a type 1, which means that the week will default and start on a Sunday. So 1 will be Sunday, 2 is Monday, 3 is Wednesday. But we don't want to do that. Why? Because I want to say anything greater than 5, right? Because I want to get Saturday and Sunday. So I said anything greater than 5, I want it to have a different color. Notice if I have Sunday is 1, Sunday is not greater than 5. So that means so the next thing I could do is I could use another type called 2. This means that the week will start on Monday. Specifically, Monday will be 1. So Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3. So anything greater than 5 will be highlighted. So here, Saturday and Sunday is 6 is Saturday, 7 is Sunday. There's the third option, which is 3. 3 means Monday will be 0, Tuesday is 1, Wednesday, and you could do that too, but then you would have to change greater than, because right now Sunday is the only day that's greater than 5 because Saturday is 5. So you could say greater than 4. And that will give you the highlights of the weekend. I'm going to change this to gray because, I know the kids are with me. And I'm going to change the font to gray as well because I don't really need it to stand out to let me know that, what that day is. So now it shows me my weekends. So that's cool. But I want to add in my minimum days. I need to know when to pick up the kids early. So I'm going to add in another rule, and my range will be again column C and column D. Again, I'm going to add in a custom format that says, or sorry, custom formula, and I'm going to have it say count if anything column A is equal to anything in column D. And I'm going to, I need a bracket there. Okay, so there's my formula. And I want to change it to red because I want to make sure that I know that I need to pick up the kids on this day. So I have it, and notice it changed this one to red. If I go down to 9/20, it doesn't show me because I don't have 9/20. I'm going to highlight Monday and the date, take the little blue square, and I'm going to left click on it, and I'm going to drag it all the way down till I see September 20th. And so September 20, 23, 24, 25, and 27, those are all minimum days. I have to make sure that I pick up the kids that day. I can highlight this one just by itself, just so that I know what the colors mean. It's a little out, but that's okay. So the next thing I want to know is, for this calendar that I have here, I want to know when there's no school. No school would be the same. I would add the same kind of rule. So I'm going to add another rule. My range is again going to be C and D, and I click on OK. And my formula cell is, custom formula is, I will say equals to count if anything in column B, all of column B, and does it match column D1? So anything in column D. And I'm going to change it to green because, woohoo, green's a good day and we can have spend some time with the kids. So I'm going to say done. Now I want to do is I want to check it. So if I look at 9/2, I should see it be green. And there we are. So this day is a holiday. If I go down further, well, don't have it again. So if I go down further, I'm going to autofill and go all the way down to November. So here, Halloween 10/31 is a holiday, and the next day of Halloween will be a holiday too. And that's it. So we have 3 formulas in these 2 columns telling me what it is. If it's a weekday, a weekend, a minimum day, or a no school. I'm going to highlight this one. I should highlight this to be green so I know that that these are no school days. And there we are. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the comment. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.